In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add filters to your iPhone camera app. I will show you two methods. One is for camera app and another one is for existing photos. After watching this video, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. So, let's get started. First, open up the camera app. On older iPhones, you'll see the filter icon at the top. On newer iPhones, tap the arrow icon at the top. After that, here you will find the filter icon. Tap on it. Now swipe across to choose your desired filter. And now you can take your picture with filters. Now I'm going to show you how to add filters to existing photos. First, open up Photos app, then find the photo you want to add filter and then open that picture. Hit the Edit button at the top. Tap the filter icon and choose from the available filters. Adjust the intensity using the slider. Once you are satisfied, tap on Done. Now you can enhance your photos with stunning filters, whether you're shooting live or editing later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.